the USA Pan Non-Stick Standard Bread Loaf. Pan is a highly recommended product for anyone who loves baking bread. With its exceptional quality and functionality, this bread pan is a must-have in any kitchen. One of the standout features of this loaf pan is its material. Made from durable steel, it ensures even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly baked bread every time. The steel construction also makes it resistant to warping, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. The USA Pan brand is well known for its superior quality, and this bread pan lives up to that reputation. The brand's commitment to excellence is evident in the precision and craftsmanship of this product. It is designed to withstand heavy-duty use and deliver exceptional results. The silver color of the pan adds a touch of elegance to your kitchenware collection. It blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor, offering a timeless and versatile look. The rectangular shape of the pan is perfect for traditional style bread.
The Wilton Recipe Right Non-Stick Long Loaf. Pans are a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Made from high-quality steel, these pans offer durability and excellent heat conductivity, ensuring even baking every time. The non-stick coating on the interior allows for easy release of baked goods and makes cleanup a breeze. One of the standout features of these pans is their rectangular shape, which is perfect for baking breadloaf cakes and other delicious treats. The long shape provides a consistent and uniform bake, ensuring that your baked goods are cooked evenly throughout. Whether you are a professional baker or an enthusiastic home cook, these loaf pans will be a reliable companion in your culinary endeavors. Another noteworthy feature of the Wilton Recipe Right non-stick long loaf pans is their dishwasher-safe nature. This makes cleaning up after baking a hassle-free task. Simply toss them in the dishwasher and they will come out looking as good as new. This feature is particular.
The Rachael Ray Bakeware Meatloaf Non-Stick Baking Loaf Pan is a versatile and reliable product that is perfect for baking delicious meatloaf and other savory dishes. Made from high-quality steel, this pan offers exceptional durability and even heat distribution, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection every time. The Rachael Ray brand is well known for its commitment to quality, and this bakeware is no exception. With its sleek gray color and rectangular shape, the pan not only performs well, but also adds a touch of style to your kitchen. One of the standout features of this product is its non-stick coating, which allows for effortless food release and easy cleaning. Say goodbye to the hassle of scrubbing stuck-on food. The non-stick surface ensures that your meatloaf slides out effortlessly, leaving you with a beautifully shaped loaf. Another great feature of this bakeware is its oven-safe design. You can confidently use this pan in the oven, knowing.
The Lodge Cast Iron Loaf Pan is a remarkable product that is sure to impress both amateur and professional bakers alike. Crafted from high-quality cast iron, this loaf pan offers superior heat retention and even heat distribution, ensuring perfectly baked goods every time. The brand behind this exceptional product is Lodge, a name synonymous with durability and reliability in the cookware industry. With over a century of experience, Lodge has consistently delivered top-notch kitchenware that stands the test of time, and the cast iron loaf pan is no exception. The sleek black color of this loaf pan adds a touch of elegance to your kitchenware collection. Its rectangular shape provides ample space for baking your favorite loaves, whether it's a traditional white bread or a hearty whole wheat concoction. The sturdy construction and well-designed handles ensure effortless maneuverability and a comfortable grip. One unique feature of this cast iron loaf pan is its compatibility.
The Amazon Basics Rectangular Baking Bread Loaf. Pan is a reliable and well-designed kitchen tool that delivers excellent baking results. Crafted from durable steel, this loaf pan offers a sturdy build that ensures long-lasting performance. The use of steel as the material of choice gives the pan a robust construction, enhancing its durability and heat retention capabilities. This means that your bread or loaf will bake evenly and consistently, resulting in a perfectly golden crust and a moist interior. Featuring the trusted Amazon Basics brand, this loaf pan maintains a high standard of quality. Amazon Basics is known for its commitment to providing affordable products without compromising on performance or durability. With this loaf pan, you can trust that you are getting a product that meets these standards. The gray color of the pan adds a sophisticated touch to your kitchen, effortlessly blending in with various kitchen decors. The rectangular shape is specifically...
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.